So hello students, we have started a chapter that is linear equation in two variable. In the first two part we have learned about what are linear equation in one variable. So in the first part we have seen about what are linear equation in one variable. In second part we have learned how to solve equations on when the variables are present on both the sides. Now today we are going to learn solving equations by cross multiplication method. Okay, so let us consider our first example. Now here it is given that we have to solve x minus 3 upon 4 2x minus 9 upon 7. Now before solving, remember one thing, that this 4 is denominator for this full, that is for x also and for minus 3 also. 7 is denominator for 2x minus 9, not for individual. Okay, so our first step, we are writing the given things. So given x minus 3 upon 4 equals to 2x minus 9 upon 7. Now what we have to do, we have to do cross multiplication, that is we will multiply this 7 over here and this 4 with this one. Okay, so when we multiply, what do we get? Therefore 7 into x minus 3 equals to, now this 4 will go here, so you will get 4 in bracket 2x minus 9. Now there will be no remainder, no denominator. Okay, now therefore now what will happen, this 7 first it will multiply with x, then it will multiply with minus 3. Okay, so I am just highlighting it. This 7 first it will multiply with x, so 7 into x you will get it as 7x. Okay, then now this 7 it will multiply with this minus 3. Okay, so what you are getting, 7 plus into minus, so that you will get minus, and 7 into 3, that is 21 equals to, now what will happen, this 4 will multiply to 2x. Okay, first this 4 will multiply with this 2x, so what you will get, 4 2s are, that is 8x. Now what is the sign for this 4? Plus, so plus into minus will become minus, and now this 4 will multiply with this 9. Okay, so 4 9s are 36. So in this way we have to do this multiplication. Now our next step will be, as usual, we will bring the term with x on left hand side and terms without x on right hand side. Okay, so let us bring it. So now what you will get, 7x. Now here we have plus 8x, on the left hand side it will become minus 8x because we are changing its side. Okay, then now we are going to change the side of this minus 21, but before that already minus 36 is present over here. When we are changing the side of this minus 21, it will become plus 21. Therefore now these both are like terms with opposite sign, so we have to do their subtraction. So 8 minus 7 will be 1x, we simply write it as x. Now these both are having opposite sign, so we will do subtraction. 36 minus 21 will be 15, and sign of greater number here is minus, and even here it is minus, so you will get minus x equals to minus 15. Therefore now we want this x as a positive, so throughout the equation we will multiply with minus, or if you are changing left hand side sign, RHS sign also changes. Okay, so in next step you will get x equals to 15. So this is our final answer. Okay, that is the solution of equation. Okay, let us solve another example. Now here in this equation we have 4x plus 8 in numerator, 5x plus 8 in denominator. Again same condition. Right, given 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8 equals to 5 upon 6. Now what we are going to do, we will do cross multiplication. This 6 we will multiply here, and this 5x plus 8 we will move it this side. Remember that no need to bring this 5 here, we have to move this 5x plus 8 here. So next step, what you will get, therefore 6 in bracket 4x plus 8 equals to 5 in bracket. Now this 5x plus 8 will come over here, so you will get 5 in bracket 5x plus 8. Therefore now this 6 will multiply with 4x. Okay, this 6 will multiply with this 4x first, and then this 6 will multiply with 8. Okay, so let us see what we are getting. Now 6 4s are, so you will get 24x, then 6 into plus 8, so you will get plus 48 equals to, similarly now first this 5 will multiply here, and then this 5 will multiply with 8. Okay, so 5 5s are, so you will get 25x, and then 5 8s are, so you will get plus 40. Therefore now terms with x we are going to bring it together. So what you will get, 24x, now this plus 25 will become here minus 25x equals to, this plus 40 will be as it is over here, and now we are going to change the side of this plus 48, so it will become here minus 48. Okay, so therefore now like terms with opposite signs, so subtraction, so 25 minus 24, that will be 1x, sign of greater number it is minus, equals to, again opposite signs are there, so 48 minus 40 will be 8, and sign of greater number will be minus. Okay, now again we want this x as positive, so if you are changing its sign, other side sign will also be changed. So what you will get, x equals to 8. Okay, this changing sign is known as multiplying with minus. Okay, now let us consider one more different type of example. Now here in this example we have x plus 2 upon x minus 1 minus equals to 1 minus 1 upon x minus 3. Now remember that how many terms are with x, so this is with x, this is with x, and this is with x. So we are going to keep all the terms with x on one side. So what we are going to do, solution given x plus 2 upon x minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1 upon x minus 3. Therefore you will get x plus 2 upon x minus 1. Now this 1 upon x minus 3, what sign it is having, minus. If it comes on this side it will become plus, you will get 1 upon x minus 3 equals to 1. Okay, so now therefore now what you have to do, you have to do cross multiplication between this one. Okay, so how to do that cross multiplication, so this will multiply here and this will multiply here, and then finally they both will multiply with each other. Okay, so let us write it. So first what you will get, x plus 2 into x minus 3, then plus, now what you will get, x minus 1 into 1 divided by, now this x minus 1 and x minus 3 will multiply with each other, so x minus 1 x minus 3 equals to this one as it is. Okay, now we have to multiply it one by one. Now how to multiply it, so we will keep this x as it is, multiply with this full bracket, then 2 with this full bracket. So I am just denoting it with some different colors. Okay, first this x will multiply with this x, then this x will multiply with this minus 3. Okay, so x into x will give you x. Okay, or if you want you can write in simple way also, but I think this one is good. So x into x will give you x square. Okay, then x into minus 3 will give you minus 3. Okay, wait, let me write it in a simple way first. Let us do one thing, keep this x, multiply with this full bracket, so you will get it in this way. X minus 3 plus 2, that is this 2 will multiply with this full bracket, 2 in bracket x minus 3 plus x minus 1 into 1, so that will be x minus 1. Now okay, divided by, now this x will multiply with this x minus 3, then this minus 1 will multiply this x minus 3. Now it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, now our regular procedure, first this x will multiply with this x, and then this x will multiply with this minus 3. Okay, so now x into x becomes x square. Okay, then x into minus 3 will become minus 3x. Similarly, in next condition, first this 2 will multiply with this x, and then this 2 will multiply with this minus 3. So what you will get, 2 into x, so that is plus 2x, and then plus into minus will become minus, then 2 3s are 6. Okay, remember that every time first we have to multiply the sign, then number. Okay, now our remaining thing, plus x minus 1 as it is, divided by, now here also same condition will be there. First this x will multiply with this x, and then it will multiply with this minus 3. Similarly here also minus 1 will multiply with x, and then minus 1 will multiply with this minus 3. So let us multiply it. Now x into x, so that is x square, then plus into minus, minus x into 3, that is 3x. Okay, then now minus into plus, it is again minus, then 1 into x will become x, then minus into minus will become plus, and 3 ones are, that is 3, so equals to 1. Now what you have to do, we have to see that what are the terms with x over here, minus 3x plus 2x, then only x. Okay, so we can write it as x square. Now these both are having opposite sign and they are like terms, so we can subtract it. So 3 minus 2, that will be x, and sign of greater number is minus. Okay, then this minus 6 minus 1 like terms, so you will get it as minus 7, and this x is remaining, so we will write here plus x, divided by, now here also this x square as it is. Now these both are like terms, so they are having same sign, so 3 plus 1, that will be 4x, and sign of greater one, that is minus, and then plus 3 equals to 1. So therefore you will get, now remember that these both are having like terms with opposite sign, so we can cancel this one. So what you will get in next step, x square minus 7 will come in numerator. Now we are going to change the side of this one, x square minus 4x plus 3 into 1, so you will get it as equals to x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to, now we'll bring all these terms on left hand side first and then we will see what happens. So you will get this x square, now this plus x square will become here minus x square, then this minus 4x will become here plus 4x, then who is present over here, minus 7, and then this plus 3 will become here minus 3, or we can do one more thing, that will keep the terms without variable on RHS. So what you will get equals to, this minus 7 will become here plus 7 and this plus 3 will be as it is. Now in next step it can be seen that this x square and x square are like terms with opposite signs, so we can cancel it. Okay, so now what you will get further, therefore 4x equals to 7 plus 3 10, therefore x equals to 10 upon 4, therefore x equals to, now these both are divisible by 2, how to divide it, 2 2s are 2 5s are, so what will be our final answer, 5 upon 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, so this much is enough for today. I will send some example, you people have to solve it as an assignment. So thank you, have a nice day.